Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Tactics and Taglines, where football meets branding. My name is Johnny, and on this channel, we explore how marketing, design, and storytelling shape the modern game, from the terraces to TikTok. This week, I've actually added in a few more extra bits to make it look professional. I have a nice mic, extra lighting, and I've decided to change the angle slightly, but let me know if you like it or you dislike it. Anyway, so today we're talking about something that every football fan gets excited for each summer: the kit launch. But behind the jersey launches and promo shoots is a carefully constructed brand strategy. Clubs aren't just releasing new shirts, they're telling stories, they're building identity, and they're driving serious revenue from it. Football kits are the most visible symbol of a club's brand. They're what fans wear to their weddings, on holidays, and just going about their daily lives. It's how your club is recognised from Nairobi to Naples. The design taps into tradition and modernity, all in one visual identity. Think of Juventus, when they ditched their stripes in 2019, or when Barcelona went for the checkered box experiment. There was uproar in the stands, and fans felt it because a kit isn't just a product, it's personal, it's an identity, it's a representation of who they are. So, kit launches used to be a photo in the club shop window, but now they're like mini blockbusters. Arsenal dropped their 2023 kit with grime artists in North London. Venezia FC made global waves by turning their launch into a fashion editorial. Even lower league clubs like Stockport and Forest Green are creating cinematic promos that rival Netflix trailers. For clubs, this isn't just about selling shirts, it's about controlling the narrative. Kit launches are moments to align with culture, showcase values, and target new demographics. And let's not forget, every post, teaser, and influencer unboxing just fuels engagement. For marketers, it's pure gold. It's trackable, it's viral, and full of visual storytelling. Top tips for marketers: if you're running kit content for a club, don't just show the shirt, show the emotion. Build launch campaigns around local stories, legacy moments, or player memories. Fans don't buy cloth, they buy connection. And if you're looking for examples, let's just say tap into nostalgia, retro kits equals retro emotions equals repeat engagement. Drop kits before a pre-season tour, maximize global reach. Collaborate with local artists or musicians to tie into the culture of the cloth. And always shoot your kit on location. Home turf matters. If you're enjoying this dive into the strategy behind football kit launches, don't forget to subscribe for more branding breakdowns, case studies, and much, much more. Okay, let's talk numbers. For top clubs, kits are a key revenue stream. Man United reportedly sells over 2 million shirts a year, and with every new launch, home, away, third, pre-match, collaborations, all comes new margins. But brands like Adidas, Nike, and Puma aren't just suppliers, they're collaborators. These partnerships shape clubs' storytelling globally. Look at PSG's Jordan collaboration. This opened doors to streetwear fans who may never watch League One, which to me is, cross-market branding genius. Even the timing is strategic. Drop it before a tour in Asia, instant reach. Drop it after a trophy win, it's legacy in cloth. So who's getting it right? Arsenal, without a doubt, are one of the leaders in the kit content game. They blend nostalgia with community links, and it's a massive element for what they do. And they just bring swagger to every release. Venezia, they've transcended football altogether. Their kits sell out before the season even starts. And Roma's recent New Balance kits, mamma mia! It's an understated design with a cinematic edge. Meanwhile, others miss the mark, churning out templates basically to just copy and paste from the bigger clubs with no soul. And unfortunately, fans know it. In the end, a football kit is never just a shirt. It's an identity. a tool for global branding and one of the most powerful assets a club has. When it's done right, a kit can connect the past, present and future, one season at a time. Thanks for watching Tactics and Taglines. Leave a comment with your favourite kit launch of the past few years, or one that totally missed the mark. And remember, in modern football, every detail is marketing, even the stitching. Pure cheese, but yeah. I'll see you in the next one.